Alright guys, today, before we go to the gym, we're going to do about 500 push-ups along the way. Sometimes, everything in life, you have to be continuously moving your body, and always staying active, and always doing what you're supposed to do, no matter what. You gotta keep moving your body and just doing what's hard and difficult, one day at a time. And now, always good to do diamond push-ups, also great for your triceps and your back. Right now, we're about to take a cruise in the Subaru to go hit legs and shoulders. So let's take a drive for a bit. Always be safety first, you know. Always get that seatbelt on. Make sure it's in neutral. We're putting first gear. And we're rolling. And just remember, one day at a time. It's just to enjoy the moments. It's appreciating the road, like I do here. Taking a cruise in the Subaru, so going from first, second, third, and fourth. So it's about miles per miles. It's really enjoying the road of where you go and to many untraveled destinations. Even though I'm going to the gym, you know. So it's important to appreciate where you are in life and always being grateful. Just can't never give up. And always focusing on where you're at in life. So always keep pushing forward. Because when you're in a standstill and you always isolate yourself, you find yourself one day at a time. And now we're about to go to the gym, go to Planet Fitness. Turn that car off, you know. Get in our daily water bottle intake. Here we go and do that. Now, make sure we get our bags. Let's step out of the Subaru. Let's step out of the car for a bit. Gotta show the gains. And now, we go out the car. Make sure we got everything. And now, let's go to the gym to hit legs and shoulders. You know, it's not gonna be too bad. You just gotta take your time, no matter what. So learn to focus. And now, let's go to the legs. Now we're gonna do 280 or 250 on the leg extensions. Make sure you always learn to train to failure on this part. Yeah, brother. You always have to force yourself to doing what's hard, one day at a time. And now about to do the seated leg press. Always gain a good view, you know. Always take your time, appreciate the moment. Always be patient of how you work out and what you work out with, one day at a time. And now we're going to do the 175 to going to failure. So learn to push yourself as you do this workout. You don't want to go too straight up, but always keep your legs bent. Always stay fit no matter what. So just push forward and doing what's hard. So in order to see growth, you have to train failure one day at a time. So always get down. And now we're going to do the good old 60-pound dumbbell squat. This really helps a lot for endurance, capabilities, and stamina. It just helps you with your leg growth too, and become more flexible along the way. It's always important to train your body in the ways that you should always respect. It shows self-respect as you train your body and doing what's really hard, you know. So it's about moving your body. I know you got to do that very last bit of it until you see growth one day at a time. And now I'm about to do some pull-ups. I like to do 10 each on each row, but right now we're going to do a maximum effort of doing 50 along the way. Just keep myself healthy, keep myself strong. Just enjoying the moment. Now we're going to do the more pull-ups along the way. You always gotta do more. Just enjoying that little last bit of it. And now we're gonna do leg ups. Also good for your lower ab muscle. It'll show your abs more. And now we're gonna take a car to car wash. Wash it down. Some soap and water. Wash it off. Wax it. Wipe it down. So yeah, here's my Subaru Impreza 2010 2.5 liter motor, and it's a non-aspirated motor with no turbo. It's a great car. It's a good 5-speed manual. Right now, guys, in this case in point, be preparing to wash my car and go on the skateboard, go skateboarding for a little bit. You know what to do, right? It's always best to clean the car and keep shopping on. Alright guys, today's finished up cleaning my car. Cleaned it, soaped it, waxed it, then rinsed it off. So you know, there you go. Pretty good, yeah? Alright, right now guys, finally got to the skate park. Let's go enjoy the moment. I just brought my Yuto origami board setup. Alright guys, finally made it to my local skate park to go skate. It's always important to ease off from what society brings you in life and just doing what you love and do what you enjoy one day at a time. So it's best to practice and learn to get uncomfortable along the way. And always get uncomfortable doing what's difficult, no matter how you feel. Learn and you take the risk. And now, I'm about to drop in, a small quarter side. We're gonna go do a 50-50 on the coping up top, go back around. And this is where the action happens.
Better be off the spine lip, not the spine side.
Yeah, I fell. I didn't get hurt too bad. I feel fine though. Now let's drop into the steeper side. It's 10 to 12 feet high. You just can't be scared, get it comfortable. I know it's high and sketchy, but if it's the first time, always try again and again until landed. Do a 5-5 off the coping. Going over the other side, going down. A little bit better of the 5-5 on it. Then do a fakie pivot off the quarter side. Now do fakie off the coping. Do some more stalls, you know. A little bit more of the fakie pivot off the side. Do that rock fakie. Gotta go up and down on that. Now just drop in. First gonna do a 180. I missed that one. Try again. Almost landed the 180. Is it the one? Almost did. Finally landed my 180. It does take time to learn and practice. Now I'm going to drop into the quarter side, around the bend. Go 50-50 on the coping. Not sure what this was, but it's very impressive. I'm very surprised. And now let's go for hiking on the trails. Trails best to unplug from society. Take a peaceful walk through nature. Go explore. Go enjoy the moment. There's a little path I like to take. Go across the bridges and enjoy the scenery, you know. It's always important to enjoy the moments one day at a time. And just appreciating the nature around you. And now we're going to find a pretty decent spot to go hang out. Find a nice little stream to enjoy. So I take a walk across this log, making sure I don't trip. Sometimes you feel like you're going to trip, but you're not going to trip. Just take your time. You gotta go on that rock. Just appreciate the moment, one day at a time. You know, guys, this isn't so bad. You just gotta learn how to balance yourself and always take your time and you cross a log and start living life, you know. Start crossing this thing right here. And now let's cross this log. Let's enjoy the view, enjoy the nature, take a good look around. And now we're gonna cross this log. Sometimes when you find a log across a creek, it's kind of tempting to just cross it and just try something new. And this is something else. It's a very long stretch across a creek or the stream. Just enjoying the moment and just appreciating the outdoor life. It's so bad, right? You know, you always learn to practice your balance and take a risk once in a while. Do what you're scared of, one day at a time. See that? That's a view right here. And now let's walk the stream back, or walk the log back. It's always important to take your time, watch your every step, watch your every move. 1 foot forward. Just keep moving forward, just enjoy the moment. Let's cross it back up again.